everyone, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite vanilla cheesecake recipe by El Mundo Eats. And so let's just get started. So first you just melt up some butter, and this recipe overall is super easy. I'm just using about 1/4 of a stick of butter. I melted that up, and we're going to be mixing that with some digestive biscuits. You can use graham crackers if you'd like, but digestive biscuits are definitely the more traditional route. You can use pre-crushed, or you can crush them out at home using a food processor or in a bag, a Ziploc bag, and you can crush it up by hand. However you like, however you find easiest. Each method will lead to the same end product, so however you find, however is easiest for you. And then this is just to kind of make your life a little bit easier. I'm using a 6-inch pan, like a cheesecake pan, the mold, and I'm going to be using 2 sheets of parchment paper and some butter and a circular sheet of parchment paper, just so that I can release the cheesecake easier once it's done cooling. This just makes it coming out a little bit easier. That's just how I like to do it. As you can see, this is what it looks like, nice and assembled. And now we're going to add in our butter and digestive biscuits mixture into the pan, and we're going to press this really firmly, and this will create our delicious buttery crust for our cheesecake. Also, I cannot stress this enough. All of your ingredients have to be room temperature, so let them be, leave them out about 3 to 4 hours before you're going to be starting to make your cheesecake so that they're nice room temperature. So here I'm using 16 ounces of cream cheese. Whip it up for about 1 to 2 minutes just so that it gets a little bit creamy and soft. And then you're going to be adding 1/2 cup of sour cream, and just mix it really lightly. Don't overmix, it will create cracks and it's not going to end up well. So after adding that, you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar, and then you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and fold everything in. Take 3 room temperature eggs, mix them up lightly, and then add them to your mixture and fold them in very gently, trying to combine the least amount of air as possible, and add that into your cheesecake pan or however you're baking it, and then put it in the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Take it out, let it cool at least 8 hours, and enjoy. Top it however you like with strawberries, whipped cream. Make it delicious, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Have a good day, and I hope you try this out.